I don't know where my other timer sock went. So sad. I'm gonna make coffee right now. I'm gonna do some Bible study right now. The time is 8:14 and I woke up at 7:30, I think. And it was still dark outside, so I don't like that much, but oh well.
Equip you,
The sun is
strengthen you
finally
with the word
coming
of
up.
God. So welcome is that we are transformed by the renewing of our minds. When our minds are renewed, that's when transformation happens. It's because this whole mindfulness and self-help thing is very evident in New Age.
I'm gonna make iced coffee because I don't think I want to go to the store and buy iced coffee. Apparently, if you put brown sugar in it too, it tastes a little better. That was like a tablespoon. You can go up there. The soup is finally boiling.
I have parked the car.
Okay, now 499. That means
Yes.
you need to get.
It's kind of chilly, but it could be worse. There's somebody lawn mowing. I'm gonna walk back now and can make myself a nice coffee, although it is so cold. I hope that's not a lot, but I'm gonna be making supper right now. Oh my goodness. It's discolored, but that's okay. I think. I don't have any taco seasoning. Oh my goodness. What do I add? I need these. I think these would taste a lot better. This is what they're looking. I only made this amount because I really didn't feel like cooking because I made so much food yesterday and I was really bored of it, so. These look so plain. Oh my goodness. Need some sauce maybe. Okay, we're done eating. Food was okay. Definitely made better. I'm gonna change it into sweatpants. I'm gonna do my skincare right now. See you in bed. You're gonna fall. Oh my goodness. There we go, I'm barefaced. I don't know where the other sock went. I haven't had the other one in so long. At least I have this one, I suppose. Maybe I want chips. This is my cozy little corner. I think that is it. Oh my goodness. Drop my phone! I'm gonna place you right where you fell. I found this teddy bear. This is my outfit for today. Just Thursday today, which is crazy, but I'm gonna buy some skincare. Also, we're also gonna buy a moon chair. They're like $20. I don't know how much they are at Walmart, but we're gonna buy those two things because all I need is the skincare. So I think we're gonna do that pretty soon. I am gonna edit my video partially. I'm gonna eat a drink, Sprite, and eat some of my taffies. Do you not need one price?
Twice one's 50. That's not bad. We could do 50. Actually.
Haha. But not that one though. That's too chunky.
It's below. I think it's up to
Yeah, I don't like that.
yeah,
Put that in. What is your car?